Hello everyone, so this is me Neelu Kumari. What I'm here for, like from the 1st of August I'm going to start my new batch, and that is going to be for only homemakers. Okay, beginners or intermediate can also join. So in this batch what you will get, okay, so here this would be completely dedicated to the spoken English. Okay, and if you really want to learn, so some days we'll do Vedic math classes as well. So let me give you some example that how you can do the calculation fastly. Like if you have to calculate 11 into 34, how would you do it? Okay, you will go through the traditional process. So you can do it in your mind, like 11 into 34, it would be 374, right? If you have to calculate the square of 75, how would you do? So 5 6 25. If you have to calculate 102 multiply 103, how would you do that? 102 multiply 103, 10506. Okay, so this is what I'm going to teach you. If you're really interested, you can join the class. And another thing is that abacus is also there. Okay, so this is how you can do the calculation part from your finger. This is a finger abacus, okay, that I'm gonna teach you here. That, see, this is your right hand and this is your left hand. Okay, if I ask you that 87 minus 25, how much you will get? Okay, so let me show you that this is a 50, this is 60, 70, 80. Okay, this is I'm going to do, I'm doing from my left hand, and this is from my right hand. Okay, I'll calculate 7, this is 5 6 and 7. Now we have 87, and if I have to minus in it 25, how you gonna do that? So 20, you have for subtracting 25, you have to like 20 and then minus 5. How much you going to get? This is 62. Okay, so this is what I'm going to teach here, and I hope, I'm looking forward that you will join. Okay, and what I want to say here, that see, being a homemaker, you no need to stuck at your home. Try to do something for yourself. Okay, if you are not going to do anything, at least you would be able to teach some kids at your home. There would be some skill in your hand that you can live your own life. You can feel that yes, I am also something. So if you are like feeling that I'm stuck, I don't have anything to do, and you really want to do, so this class is definitely for you guys. And thank you so much. I'm hoping for the best.